Welcome to the Sahara Las Vegas, where Vegas vintage charm meets modern style. In this video, I'll give you a full tour of our unique room, show you the stunning pool area, and give you a feel for what's nearby so you know exactly what to expect if you're thinking of staying here. I was excited to finally stay at the Sahara because it's one of the Vegas spots I had admired for years but never experienced. I always loved the original landscaping and design before it became the SLS for a short time, so I was happy to see it return to its roots as the Sahara. The remodel feels fresh and stylish, and I really appreciated how the reception area pays tribute to the good old days with vintage photos and memorabilia. It was a nice blend of classic and modern Vegas. And now I'm going to take you for a tour of the room we stayed in. After that, I'll show you around the pool area and give you a peek at what's available right outside the hotel. We booked the standard king room and ended up in the Alexandria Tower, and it was definitely unlike any other room I've stayed in. The uniqueness actually started in the hallway with its dark design, but honestly, I kind of liked it. The first thing that stood out to me when I first opened the door was the brightness from the large window. The bathroom itself was fairly modern and standard with a sliding door and full-length mirror, but what really caught my attention was that the closet space and safe were also in the bathroom. Kind of a neat way to make the most of a smaller space. The main room was definitely different from any other room I've experienced before. It was a smaller space with more of a square layout, and it had a unique decor with fabric-covered walls. The only real downside for us was the placement of the television because it felt awkward to watch from the bed. The room showed a little bit of age, but had nice touches like charging ports by the bed. They gave us 2 complimentary bottles of water each day, and we had full use of the fridge. And the big window brought in lots of light, and our view was nice. We could see the mountains, the colorful sign at night, and even the pool area. The pool we are looking at here is the main pool, and I'm going to take you down to ground level for a closer look. There is another pool on the property, but we were unable to access it during our stay. Quick tip, make sure to sign up for the rewards card, and don't forget to ask about any current promotions. On this visit, I got $10 in free slot play just because it was my birthday month. And on another trip, we scored free play from a different promo. It never hurts to ask. Now let's talk about what's around the Sahara. It's located at the north end of the strip, right next to the Fontainebleau and just down the street from the Strat. There are also a few really convenient spots within walking distance, like the Bonanza complex with a massive souvenir shop and general store, and on the other corner there is a Walgreens. If you walk a little further down this street, there's also a McDonald's and Subway. Since the Sahara is near the north end of the strip, it can be a bit of a walk to get to attractions or events that are closer to the center or south end. We chose to walk everywhere, but there are plenty of other ways to get around. The monorail has a stop right at the Sahara, and you can also grab a taxi, Uber, or hop on the Deuce, the double-decker bus that runs up and down the strip. If you'd like more details on getting around Vegas as a tourist, I made a full video called The Vegas Transportation Tourist Guide, and I will leave a link in the description below. We really enjoyed our stay here at the Sahara. We usually pick our hotel based on the best price, and this one felt more upscale than some of the other lower-priced options. I'd definitely stay here again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and check out my other Vegas videos. Thanks so much for watching. and happy travels.